Are you struggling to get your YouTube videos noticed? Feeling frustrated by the lack of views and subscribers? Well, you're not alone. Many small business owners face the same challenges when it comes to YouTube video ranking. But what if I told you that there are certain mistakes that you might be making that are actually hindering your success? What if fixing these blunders could help you skyrocket your ranking and attract more viewers? After all, you found my video either through YouTube search or the browse feature, right? So I'm going to dive deep into the world of YouTube video SEO. I'll uncover the 5 most common mistakes that could be costing you views and subscribers. And not just any views and subscribers, but highly engaged ones that could help grow your small business channel. But here's the best part. It's not just going to point out these blunders, right, and leave you hanging. I'm actually going to provide you with actionable tips and strategies to overcome them. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for fast video ranking on YouTube, helping your small business channel reach new heights. So, number 1, neglecting keyword research. Did you know that keyword research is crucial for YouTube video ranking? You're probably thinking, it is? Yes, many small business owners overlook this step, resulting in videos getting lost in the sea of content. That's like no fun. But fear not, I'll show you how to conduct effective keyword research to ensure your videos are seen by the right audience. So, strategy number 1. So how do you implement keyword research? Well, define your audience so that you know who you are making content for. In order to do keyword research, you must research your audience to know the content they are searching for so you can create videos that will attract them to your channel. Therein lies the magic. So let's say you want to target people searching for cake recipes since you run a bakery. So what kind of recipes do you think they would search for? Cupcakes, pastries, cookies. So let's do keyword research on chocolate cupcake recipes with mint icing. Oh, that sounds really good. Okay, so I'll use a tool called vidIQ that helps me identify low competition phrases that my audience may be searching for, revealing any content gaps that may exist. So, number 2, ignoring video optimization techniques. So what is video optimization? Well, that is another area where many small business owners fall short, from neglecting optimizing video titles, descriptions, ignoring the importance of tags and thumbnails. Very important. There are several optimization techniques that can significantly impact your video ranking. So stick around as I reveal how to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. So, strategy 2. How do you implement video optimization? With every video, you should include a title that includes your keywords, a description that also contains your keywords within the first few lines, and then have an eye-popping thumbnail that gets the clicks. This is the most important step in the video SEO process, optimizing your channel. So make sure to also complete the default upload section. Add your default description that includes your channel's external links, social media, websites, affiliate links, email, and hashtags. Once you complete this section, it will automatically populate with every video you upload. So set it once and forget it. So, number 3, failing to engage viewers. Engagement is key to YouTube video ranking. So if your viewers aren't watching your videos all the way through or interacting with your content, YouTube will deem it as less valuable and rank it lower in search results. So how do you fix that? So strategy number 3, how do you engage your viewers? Okay, so just remember that in long form videos that are generally over 2 minutes, you should apply the rule of 7. So every 7 to 10 seconds, you should insert a sound, an effect, emphasize a word, do a zoom in, animation, B-roll, or video with humor to keep your viewers engaged and watching your content. So perhaps add a green screen so you can show articles and images you want your audience to see. Just pepper it in throughout your video to keep viewers watching until the end. If they're entertained, they will hang around until the end and form an emotional connection with you, and maybe even subscribe, just like magic. Number 4, ignoring your channel's analytics. Analytics provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Yet, so many small business owners fail to leverage this data to improve their YouTube video ranking. So I'll show you how to interpret analytics metrics and make data decisions to better optimize your video content. So everything you need to know is in your channel's data. So strategy number 4, how do you interpret your channel's data, right? Your data tells what your audience is interested in and what they don't like. So for example, if you see your views drop off after 30 seconds on your 60-second short, which is actually typical, then you need to add more engaging factors into your videos to keep your viewers watching until the end. Or if you have posted a long form video and you get 1,000 impressions because YouTube is actually circulating your videos, but your click-through rate is like 3%. So yielding only 30 views for that video. So guess what? It's your thumbnail. So just try creating another with an eye-catching design and repost your video and watch what happens. So number 5, neglecting channel authority. Building authority on YouTube is essential for long-term success. So if your channel lacks credibility, trustworthiness, it will struggle to rank higher in search results. And this is for new channels especially. Deliver on providing accurate information. So strategy number 5. So how do you increase your channel's authority? Well, once you've established your channel as an authority on whatever your expertise is, you will climb the ranks and attract more subscribers. So when people trust you, they will subscribe to you. It's kind of like an arrangement. So subscribing means you will continue to deliver on your promise and deliver amazing content. You have proven to them that you are worth that subscribe button. So there you have it. The 5 video SEO blunders that could be costing you views and subscribers. But armed with this knowledge and these strategies that I provided, you're now equipped to take your small business channel to the next level. So don't let these mistakes hold you back any longer. Start using them today and watch your YouTube video rankings soar. So stay in touch and comment below and let me know how these strategies worked for you. So now we get to the good part. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on fast video ranking and growing your small business on YouTube. So until next time, keep building your empire and making an impact. Thanks for watching.